Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off extra brightness in Samsung Galaxy S22. To turn off our extra bright screen in our phone, we have to go to Settings, then under Display we have Adaptive Brightness. Our extra brightness is hidden here. With adaptive brightness it's unavailable. To turn it off, we simply uncheck this little box, and as you can see, our screen is a little bit dimmer. And now, with our adaptive brightness, our screen is a little dimmer too. Even if we select adaptive brightness, our extra brightness will not turn on. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.